Morning. So let's have some fun here. Some stupid, silly, fucking retarded motherfucking fun. If we're gonna have all that kind of fun, we gotta do it with Furious Pete. It's a fucking, this shit's mandatory. If you've ever seen the video of this dude eating the chili pepper in public, gonna down a ghost pepper and shit, fucking freak the fuck out. While everybody's, Furious Pete, you're like a stunt man and shit. You're doing the stunt fucking with the chili pepper. Oh, fuck. Oh fuck, that shit's nothing to fuck around with. And then we got to talk about the Fine Brothers because we're on a Fine Brothers video who invented the React shit, which is such a fucking awesome niche for these guys. They have figured out, hey, you know what? People like to hear fucking people talk, and I'm not gonna fucking blah 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 too much about it. It just sucks. Everybody goes and steals their shit when they do shit professionally. Shit's done fucking well. Um, just some fucking silly fucking fun we're gonna have. Shit that people on my channel are going to think about and going to talk about. So I'm just gonna address it
because Donald Trump
right here. And I want to take something way the fuck out of context because I know this isn't the guy, and it might be. I could be fucking wrong. The I think it's called the Diamond Minecraft. It's a Minecraft channel and shit. Where the channel is just recommended up the fucking. I mean, the Diamond Minecraft guy makes PewDiePie and Markiplier look like small motherfucking potatoes. It's just a little kid playing. What's up with the YouTube algorithm? I mean, there's nothing correct about that and how everything fucking works. It's really the destruction of everything. A little kid makes about 20 to fucking 30 grand making little 5 fucking minute videos on a video game. It's gonna own all of us by the time it's over. We're all gonna fucking work hard and supply shit for society, and some little kid's gonna make fucking 20, 30, 50 fucking grand a video, putting out a video every fucking day, making what people make in a year in 2 motherfucking days. Then he does it fucking 300 motherfucking days out of the fuck. But what I want to laugh at is, here's the Illuminati right here. Here is what it is. You are above all of us and keep all of us out of everything. You're one of these big YouTubers, so are you, so is fucking everybody else. That, hey, don't mention them, we'll stay at the top. And then we'll wear all this symbolism here, and we'll never, it's just a big joke to us. Then if anybody came up and said anything about it, about what the shit really is, you wouldn't understand. You would go, no, this is the fake Illuminati, and it's this fashion thing for all of us. And then we'd say, how about you give us back our fucking symbolism and stop fucking profaning everything, you stupid motherfucking goyim. While you think everything's opinions and fashion trends and this and that, you're just a complete piece of shit that defiles everything. Then you take all this symbolism and use the most evil fucking form possible to make it so that you're this capstone sitting at the top and we're all under you, as you take all the symbolism and it's like spitting in our fucking face. How about if you dumb motherfucking pieces of fucking shit quit doing that, huh?